Then we're installing the wipers on the Audi e-tron. We're going to select the adapter, and those are the ones that is selling Walmart. You have to open the hood, of course, because these are Audis and Volkswagen. You have to open the hood and do the job from the inside. So this is what is assembled. This is what is assembled. It is on the car. So we have to go find the same type of connector. So this is gonna go inside, and there is a clip here that goes to engage. So this is not gonna work. We have to find the right one. Looks like the right one is this one. So we're gonna replace it here and assemble it. To be able to fit this, you have to open those two wings. You're gonna remove it. You're gonna break it, because if not, it doesn't fit inside. And then you're gonna push this one in. So then you have to remove this. You just have to pull it up really hard. No, it's not coming, because it's just, you just push it in really hard from here. So that's why you have to pull it up really hard. And then you have this situation. You can go this one, and you remove the clips already, and this one has to slide in. Yeah, actually you put it on the top, you push it really hard, and it's gonna go in. That's it. That's ready to go in the car. Actually, you're gonna have to remove these plastics before using it, and you're good to go. They look like you have to push in really hard, but they go. It's not a big deal.